Welcome to TechMinds. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy machinery. Join us as we explore the latest tech and innovations shaping our future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's go! The R9400 quarry excavator is a heavy-duty machine designed for large-scale excavation work in quarries and mining operations. It features a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic systems, allowing it to handle the toughest tasks with ease. The excavator is equipped with a range of attachments, including buckets and breakers, making it versatile and capable of performing a variety of tasks. Its spacious cab is designed for comfort and efficiency, with ergonomic controls and excellent visibility. The R9400 quarry excavator is known for its durability and reliability, making it a popular choice for demanding environments. Telehandlers, also known as telescopic handlers, are versatile machines used in construction, agriculture, and industry. They feature a telescopic boom that can extend and retract, allowing them to reach high and low areas with ease. Telehandlers are equipped with various attachments, such as forks and buckets, making them suitable for a wide range of tasks, including lifting, loading, and transporting materials. They are known for their efficiency and versatility, making them a valuable asset on any job site. Telehandlers are available in different sizes and configurations to suit various needs, making them a popular choice for many industries. Both machines are highly efficient and easy to operate, making them ideal for farmers and contractors alike. They are built to withstand the rigors of agricultural work and are designed for long-term use. The stone crusher and meaty soil tillage cultivator are valuable additions to any farm or agricultural operation, helping to increase productivity and efficiency. Big Bud tractors are legendary in the world of agriculture for their size, power, and versatility. These massive machines are designed for heavy-duty tasks such as plowing, seeding, and harvesting large fields. Big Bud tractors are equipped with high horsepower engines and durable components, allowing them to tackle the toughest farming challenges with ease. The sheer size of Big Bud tractors makes them ideal for large-scale farming operations where efficiency and productivity are paramount. These tractors are designed to work long hours in tough conditions, making them reliable and cost-effective machines for farmers, whether plowing fields or hauling heavy loads. Big Bud tractors are up to the task, making them a popular choice among farmers around the world. Roughneck lifting tongs are essential tools for lifting and moving heavy objects on the farm or construction site. These tongs are designed to grip and lift a variety of materials, including logs, stones, and other bulky items. They are made from high-quality steel and are built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. Roughneck lifting tongs are available in a range of sizes and configurations to suit different lifting needs. They are easy to use and provide a secure grip on objects, making them ideal for lifting and moving heavy loads safely and efficiently. Whether you're clearing a field or building a structure, roughneck lifting tongs are a valuable tool to have on hand. Certainly. Here are detailed descriptions for 6 additional machines. The Bergmann 2040R dump truck is a robust and versatile vehicle designed for heavy-duty hauling in various industries, including construction, mining, and agriculture. With its powerful engine and rugged construction, this dump truck can handle the toughest jobs with ease. It features a large dumping capacity, allowing for efficient transportation of materials such as soil, gravel, and rocks. The Bergmann 2040R dump truck is equipped with advanced safety features to ensure the safety of the operator and the cargo. Its ergonomic design provides comfort and ease of operation, making it a popular choice among operators, whether used on construction sites or in mining operations. The Bergmann 2040R dump truck delivers reliable performance and durability. The Plant Max X2 is a revolutionary machine that combines soil preparation and planting into one efficient operation. This machine is designed to save time and labor by performing both tasks simultaneously. It features a powerful engine and a range of attachments, that allow it to prepare the soil, plant seeds, and cover them with soil in a single pass. The Plant Max X2 is highly efficient and can cover large areas quickly, making it ideal for use in agriculture and landscaping. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly controls make it easy to operate, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The Plant Max X2 is a game-changer in the world of farming, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution for soil preparation and planting. TechMinds is a specialized machine used for the application of herbicides in agriculture. This machine is designed to deliver herbicides directly to the target area, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. It features a precision application system that ensures accurate delivery of herbicides, reducing the risk of over-application and environmental damage. TechMinds is equipped with a range of safety features to protect the operator and the environment, making it a safe and reliable choice for herbicide application. Its compact size and maneuverability make it ideal for use in a variety of agricultural settings. From small farms to large-scale operations, TechMinds is a valuable tool for farmers looking to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of their herbicide application practices. The Tiara Telematics Monitoring System is a state-of-the-art system designed to monitor and control Fontini chainsaws in real time. This system allows operators to track the performance of their chainsaws, monitor fuel consumption, and schedule maintenance tasks remotely. It also provides valuable data on the health and condition of the chainsaw, helping operators identify and address potential issues before they become serious. The Tiara Telematics Monitoring System is easy to install and use, making it a valuable tool for chainsaw. The Ditch Witcher T25 is a heavy-duty trencher designed for digging trenches in tough terrain. This machine is equipped with a powerful engine and rugged construction, allowing it to tackle the toughest digging jobs with ease. It features a range of attachments that allow it to dig trenches of various depths and widths, making it ideal for a variety of applications, including laying utility lines, irrigation systems, and drainage pipes. The Ditch Witcher T25 is easy to operate and maintain, making it a popular choice among contractors and utility companies. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in the most challenging conditions. The John Deere 105 OK is a powerful and versatile crawler dozer designed for heavy-duty earth-moving tasks. This machine is equipped with a high-horsepower engine and a rugged undercarriage, allowing it to tackle the toughest terrain with ease. It features a range of advanced features, including a spacious cab, intuitive controls, and a comfortable operator seat, making it easy to operate for long periods. The John Deere 105 OK is highly durable and reliable, making it a popular choice among contractors and construction companies, whether used for grading, dozing, or hauling. The John Deere 105 OK delivers exceptional performance and productivity.